Hey everybody, I don't have my GoPro right now, so my camera quality might be a little different. I'm using my phone, but here's a little update of what I got going on here. So I got the frame for the Dodge, because the last time I had that crazy hole that's in the front where the steering box goes on both sides, and I'm sure the frame was cracked where the steering box is. Like I said, previous owner or whoever down the line before me, they spandrel foamed inside the frame, painted it black, and then got it all muddy to completely hide it. So I went out and found another frame. I got lucky. It was a 99, just like my truck, and it was a 5-speed truck and a single cab. So everything was gonna work out good for me. It was a dually. I'm deciding if I want to keep it a dually or not. This has 355 or 3.5 gears in it. Excuse me, I don't know the gears. I'm coming from Chevy. But my red truck, my 2500, has 410 gears, and I'd really want to keep the 410 gears. So I know the 60 is the same whether it's a dually or not, but I got to change it for the match the gears in the back. So I might just keep it a single wheel. I don't know. I don't really want to have to mess with the dually maintenance if I don't need a dually. But my plans are, I got this frame here. Mind the door freaking blew off last week during a windstorm, so I just haven't gotten rid of it yet. But here's the frame. I pulled the whole box or the whole cab off with cherry picker by myself. Box I had to cut up. Box was trash, so I cut it up with Sawzall on like 5 or 6 different pieces. Got that loaded up, scrapped that out. But this is the frame for the red truck. The red truck's just sitting real nice. It's a giant hole in it. That's like that on both sides. I mean, it sucks because that's the only crap spot on this frame. I mean, I got a new core support too, so I'm not too worried about. But yeah, this is all nice factory on both sides. It's really nice. Front half of the frame. Yeah, I'm gonna get this powder coated and painted with some hardening enamel. Hopefully she lasts here in Wisconsin. I got a lot of stuff to do. I'm probably gonna be doing most of it by myself, but here's the frame. Just gotta strip everything off. I gotta strip the fuel lines, some of the brake lines. I might leave that stuff. The sandblaster can work around that. I'm not too worried if he misses a little section or whatever. I just want to get most of his main crap gone. But at first I was super worried because this was super crusty and flaky, kind of like this, and I was worried that it was bad. So I've been looking for these hangers, but they don't make them for the 3-inch springs, the heavy duty springs. They only make them for 2.5, like the 1500s and the 2500s with a non-HD suspension. But mine turned out to be okay. I might still get another set from another scrap frame somewhere in the south, hopefully, where everything's not so rusty, just kind of surface rust. I might plan on replacing these back shackles. We'll see how those clean up. They don't look too terrible or anything like that. Shackles look fine on this one. But yeah, I gotta strip the spare tire holder and some of this other suspension stuff, and then once I get that back, I can start running new brake lines. And I'm gonna try to reuse the fuel lines. Once I take this truck apart, I'm gonna start just kind of piecing stuff together back on here. I think the box is gonna be the last thing to go on. I gotta do a bunch of body work because that truck is covered in bed liner, which I don't know why, but it's all in bed liner, and then I house painted over top of it. I'm gonna need new fenders. Box is starting to rust. Doors are bad. Someone tried to replace the cab corner and Well, they messed it up. You can see they didn't even do it right. So now I gotta go back out and cut this out and redo that, or try to find another cab. But there's the progress on this. It's going super slow. I just had a kid a month ago or so. So everything's been slow. I haven't made any videos. I will have videos coming up of my buddy. I gave him the GoPro. He's been doing some LS swaps. So I'll have some videos of that, and probably some more videos of that Ford F350 that has an LS in it. But yeah, now I'm starting to kind of get back into the routine of things, and it's finally getting nice. It's been raining for the last 2 weeks, and then we've been getting snow randomly, and the weather's just been holding me back from getting this done. But I've been slowly getting some parts for it, so once I get this sent out, get it blasted, painted, then I can start on the next step. I got all new suspension pretty much coming for it. I'm debating if I want to get new leaf springs, but we'll have to wait and see on that. I got a new steering box. I know I did a video on that steering box, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and bye.